Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to play Indian indie game. I saw the trailer for it yesterday. Now we're going to react to it. It's not a Twitch category yet. I don't know why it is not. Please upload it to IGDB. If the devs are watching, they're not watching, then I don't know what to do. Watching will make a performance issue, but these will be fixed in full release. Thanks for understanding and supporting. That is what we're doing. Supporting at full screen, graphic quality, medium should we do high? Let's do high. Why not? 60, yeah. I monitor 60 anyway. Who cares? English, yes. Hit Bob. Controller. Okay. Is that a new game? भास्कर गराज एंड वॉश. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भास्कर. आज मैं हूँ आपका मैकेनिक. गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्ते.
And I'm here to start your day on a bright note, with good vibes and full on positivity. Now tell me, have
What's
you
happening?
opened your eyes yet? Or still lying in bed scrolling through your phone?
The fuck was
Come
that?
on, yeah. Get up.
It
Today's
is.
really nice, boss.
Cannot change graphics now.
Light rain,
Guess
and I
not.
kind of feel just
नमस्कार
like
दोस्तों, मेरा नाम भास्कर.
relax, talk, laugh a little.
Yes.
Give your mind some space to breathe. The small
Yes,
moments
yes.
actually stay with us. And believe me,
और बोलिए भैया 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 भैया, क्या बोलिए बोले, क्या क्या हुआ क्या हुआ? अरे अंदर तो आइए, अंदर तो आइए.
keeping your company and making
Dude, I hate it. I hate it. Give me 1 second.
the right vibe. So stay tuned. Stay
Why is it? Okay, I guess I'll just change the medium settings again. I don't know why it's. I know why there's so much lag in this. DLSS. Do I turn up DLSS? Fuck DLSS, dude. Stick to that.
Good morning, dosto.
Still, there's still. What is this? What is happening? I like the environment. Looks like an Indian mechanic shop.
Come on, yeah. Get up.
Come on, yeah.
When your foot is got on the side.
That looks like an Indian mechanic shop. I like it.
What of you now?
See,
Let's look at the weather first. Today's really
mechanic
nice.
soap. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have a lot of grease. You'll need special soap, obviously.
Give your
Ask
mind
customer problem. Hello.
moment.
नमस्ते भैया, क्या हाल?
And believe me, a day like
Repair work.
outside can
Not surely exactly what. To full diagnostic and find out see job details.
keeping your company.
अरे जरूर क्यों नहीं मैं करूँगा. भास्कर है ना. Why fear when भास्कर is here? भैया आपको कुछ चाय पानी कुछ बैठिए. अरे बैठिए, आप खड़े क्यों हैं? चलिए अंदर चलिए. अरे अंदर चलिए. अरे अंदर चलिए. अरे देखिए कुर्सी वगैरह है हमारे पास. बैठिए तो. अरे बैठिए तो. बैठ. सुन बैठ. कुर्सी दिख रही है ना वहाँ पे. बैठ जा चुपचाप. चल बैठ. सुनते ही नहीं है, बताओ. चलो बेटा, चलो. पंखा चालू. Arrow, you don't need arrow keys. Why arrow keys, dude? My keyboard doesn't even have arrow keys. Make it either mouse. Make it either mouse or make it WASD. Please. चलो उठो. चलो हो गया. चलो. Pick cross wrench from a toolboard. Cross wrench. चलो काम पे लग जाओ बेटा. पहिया ही खोलना ना. चलो काम पे लग जाओ. चलो crouch C. चलो लगना खोल. Does my left click have nothing to do? Why it's arrow keys again, dude? Left. चलो दूसरा come on. ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा. सब साथ. This is not mechanic music, dude. Give me some mechanic music. What is this?
So today, one guy went for his usual morning walk
Okay.
and decided to smile at 10 random people.
Okay.
And believe it or not, all 10 smiled back.
Hey, no way.
Mood, there's good energy. Now, some people may not call this news, but
Yeah.
in today's world,
Thank you, RJ Richie. Do we need or tire remove? Man, there is too much stuttering. I don't know why it's stuttering. Need DLSS. Cannot turn it on also, I think, in the middle of the game. Remove it from the car. चलो चलो बेटा, टायर दे दो। एनर्जी टायर नहीं भैया, हमारे पास एक नंबर MRF टायर मिलेगा। ये सब क्यों लेते हो आप? चलो पंचर चेक करते, पंचर चेक करने का टाइम आ गया हमारे पास। चलो चलो पंचर, पंचर है भैया, पंचर है, नया टायर पंचर है भैया। भैया भैया ओ अंदर तो आ जाओ यार, ये क्या बात है? You know what's funny? That is what I would actually do. I would just stand outside. चलो टायर लगाएंगे हम। प्लायर। The stuttering is annoying me. चलो WS works, why not A and D then? Does A and D also work? Am I stupid? हाँ मिल गया। Oh, E. Dumb. I have to hold it, I guess. I did though. Hello? I'm doing it. Supplier. चलो वापस, टायर का काम खत्म। सब साथ में लो ना, सब साथ में लेके चलो। व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर? Who stores your sandpaper like that? This is generational sandpaper. मैं ये सैंडपेपर पुश्तैनी है, मेरे दादाजी ने खरीदी थी, तो आज हम भी यही यूज करते हैं। Oh, so WSD works. There you go. I'm dumb then. Just me, who's dumb. चलो सैंडिंग लग तो नहीं रहा, लेकिन ठीक है। The stuttering is killing me, dude. Please do something. Glue bottle. अरे ये क्यों चाहिए? टायर स्टिकर, ओके गुड। टायर स्टिकर। That's what I'm like. ये तो पुरानी टेक्निक है यार, अब तो आ गया पैच वैच लगाना। लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी भैया, देख लो। लेटेस्ट टेक द hammer the tire. I'm hammering the tire, dude. Bhaskar motor. Bhaskar motor. Bhaskar motor. Come on. Come on. Remember what I said this morning? It's a bright, beautiful day. Well, people took
That was random.
I'm looking around and it's full of light. Chalo. The lake here is quite big and beautiful. Bhaskar motor. Fuck. The stuttering is annoying. Chatting, relaxing, just spending some good time. My left click has nothing to do, dude. Give me my left click to do something. Why is it E for everything? Lot of shouting, laughing, and even few friendly arguments. Kids are running around chasing each other, falling down, but every time they get back up, they smile on their face. चलो इस क्रू किधर से आया रे? Can I increase? So yeah. Can I increase radio volume? No. Just on and off. Didn't even use this. That's for doing the puncher, no? Hey, chacha, अंदर आ जाओ यार, मतलब why are you standing outside like that? Makes me feel bad, you know? Chalo. Fuck me, dude. ये लगनाट भास्कर भास्कर मोटर भास्कर मोटर भास्कर मोटर हे भास्कर मोटर भास्कर मोटर हे भास्कर मोटर भास्कर मोटर हे भास्कर मोटर पैम 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 देखो भाई फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम टाइट हो गया देखो फर्स्ट क्लास बेस्ट टाइटर इन द वर्ल्ड के कंप्रेसर किधर किधर भरने का किधर सब टायर भरने का क्या doesn't have enough pressure needs more pressure 30-40 psi 20 yeah, what is this usually will air leave the prompt is blocking the thing but okay fine you could use a better image I think एकदम फर्स्ट A class top notch air
Now time has come to update you about the news and what is going on in this country. The first,
हो गया भैया
announced a new morning routine campaign. Citizens
ओ चचा
are advised to do some stretch, yoga,
देखो काम है क्या देखो 500 मिनिमम ऊपर से हवा वगैरह भरने का टोटल मिला के 600 लगेगा भैया 600
but also result 42% more missing screws.
600
The third one and last one, Gear City Garage report record
कितना दिया
27
600 भाई भैया
swap
यही
and 50 tires repair.
150 तो भैया
That's enough. Lot of things
भैया 120 100 ओ हेलो नंबर नोट कर इसका यही नंबर नोट कर कभी नंबर प्लेट नहीं इसके पास कभी भास्कर मोटर वापस नहीं आना समझा यही भास्कर मोटर है ब्लैकलिस्ट करो इसको ब्लैकलिस्ट करो ये क्या चीप कस्टमर लोग आते रहे यहाँ पे क्या चीप एकदम इतना काम किया वो उसको 120 में एक प्लेट बिरयानी नहीं आती कस्टमर यही आ रे जल्दी आ सेम वही है ना तू रे अभी गया ना तू उतर रे उतर I wish like papers please there were like a line of cars and if there was like a lever here and you hit the lever and the next car comes in if you have plate papers please you know what I'm talking about बोलो भैया क्या करने का यश भैया बोलो भास्कर देख लेगा बोलो क्या चाहिए आपको भास्कर की जिम्मेदारी 3000 पेंट द व्हीकल पेंटिंग का 3000 दिमाग खराब है आपका
this is your boy RJ Ritchie, not from
लेकिन ठीक है कस्टमर नहीं है तो करना पड़ेगा
live from the lakeside.
लेकिन पेंटिंग का कौन लेता है भाई
It's a pride
पेंटिंग का 3000 कौन लेता
for people to
पेंट का सिर्फ पेंट का ज्यादा लगता है उससे पेंट करने का कौन लेता 3000
the lake here is quite big and beautiful.
ऊपर स्क्रैप करना उसको
Light is making
प्राइम करना
bright and fresh.
अरे दिमाग खराब
On picnic mats, chatting, relaxing, just spending some good time. Some guys are playing cricket.
ये देख इसका 3000 दे रहा तू मेरे को बेशरम
There's lot of shouting, laughing, and even few friendly arguments. Kids are running around.
the RJ has no
They get back
I just keeps going like I'm doing my job dude
It almost feel like
the RJ is like me we both are doing our job
carnival. So yeah, if you're still lying down, just going through reels again and again, this is a sign to get moving. This is your boy RJ Ritchie, straight from the ground. Keep listening.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
अच्छा पूरा गाड़ी ग्राइंड करना पड़ता है पूरा गाड़ी ग्राइंड करके प्राइम करके पेंट करके उसका 3000 बेशरम क्या चीप लोग आते रहे यहाँ पे Ujjain people I'm not lying you so far विंडोज ग्राइंड कर दो. Funny. Some paint here, but there's still more left. I know. I haven't even done half of it. Shut up, dude. और किधर रे. Screen, the stuttering is annoying. I have this old side left. 3,000 is not enough for this dude. Nah,
Swear it would win back.
nowhere close to being enough.
But there is a story I once heard. There was a man, 84 years old, who walks every evening, not for fitness, not for any challenge, but to chase the moon. Because
Who is this dumbass old man?
under a full moon, his wife laughed so hard she cried. And he said that woman never left his heart. She passed away some years later, but memory stayed.
Okay, now I am the bad guy for saying it now.
Full moon appears, he walks, hoping he will catch the laugh again. Strange, right? Or maybe beautiful. You see, sometimes it's not
Fuck
about
you,
the
Ajay.
moon or the path or the walk. It's about the chasing that one feeling you never want to forget.
टका इसका 10,000 लगेगा एटलीस्ट.
What are you still chasing?
एटलीस्ट 10,000 लगेगा. ये सब नहीं चलेगा.
Feeling the radio
Nah.
sound, but maybe with a little something to think about. Stick
Nah.
around, more music, more story coming your way.
ना ये सब नहीं चलेगा ना. I don't get paid enough for this. I didn't have to do the roof. Okay. Pick the primer. Oh man. Oh my god. How to prime it? Good. Stand there. You don't get to sit. Dumbass. This feels like the same mechanic actually. And I guess there is like limited quantity, so it makes sense.
Hey, it's your boy RJ Richie. And
Hello,
now we come
RJ
to the
Richie.
last segment of the day. I spend my day reporting from the lakeside.
Come on, Prime. I feel this is like the grinding, but even more annoying, dude. My god. Have to refill it. I wish I could play some mechanic playlist because I always have some bangers playing in the mechanic shop, but unfortunately all that is copyrighted. Literally a whole day's work. I don't even have anyone else to work with. They should make this a friend slop game. Let you play co-op with your friends. Do it together. Make it a friend slop game. Make it about fun more than realism. Make it you know what? Make it like West Coast Customs or like Pimp My Ride type situation, where customers come in and they give you the car and you customize it for them and you like paint it and stuff and you like do upgrades and everything, and then you give it back, and depending on how much they like it, they pay you basically. And you don't even have to do the mechanic for do they like it or not. Just make it random. Who cares? Just letting people customize the car would be fun. Imagine with your friends you customizing someone's car. Okay, something like that would be fun, I think. Like literally you have all the mechanics. Let them paint it whatever they want. Let them like add some decals and stuff. Let them change the rims. You already have the tire replacing mechanics, so let them change the rims. Almost night time, and I'm priming a car, dude. Uh, if you don't want to pivot your actual game loop, then you could just add a multiplayer mode and make that multiplayer mode or co-op mode. Where you can do that. Keep this for single player. But imagine a car customizing friend swap game. That'll be fun, I think. Let's go. Almost done. Almost 82%. Why are the headlights on? Hello? Do I have a light behind me? I don't have a light behind me. Hello, Tarzan the Wonder Car. What is this behavior? Oh shit! This whole side is left. I'm like, oh, what? Why is it? Why is it 82%? Increase the spread, dude. At least, come on. Let me spray the whole thing. I mean, yeah, if you're in an Indian mechanic shop, you sometimes end up using not covering the windows and everything. Just raw drawing the paint all over it. You could also do it if you make it like customizing the car type situation. Then make like each modification costs a certain amount of money. Like for example, spraying right now. For each spray, make it like $1 or like $half. I mean, it's need in Indian game, so make it like one rupee for every spray. And then when you get the tip from the customer, the tip has to be more than what you spent to modify the car. And then at the end of the game, if you made profit, then you go to the next day, basically. If not, you lose. And then how many levels you clear is your score, basically. Because right now this feels like a cozy game, right? Right now this feels like hello, just chatting today. I'm playing Indian Mechanic, and Indian Mechanic does not have a category. I'm just playing and just chatting. I thought I'll try this game and then play Adia too. भैया हो गया. I'll throw the color cartridge. What did I do? भैया हो गया. तो 20,000 लगेगा. I mean, not Twitch not having category. Yeah, भैया सुनो. I love it. You're getting a fresh life. Thanks a lot. Okay, get out now. Get out. You have to upload it to Twitch. So if you don't upload it to Twitch, then it doesn't work. Like that. It looks like an exciting game. Not exciting, but it's in the category of like Power Wash Simulator. It's like cozy game. But I feel like this might do better as like a friend swap game. Like add a co-op, let you add your friends. You're all like working in one mechanic shop, and that'll be fun, I think. Or like let you modify the car. The situation, whole thing I was talking about, yeah. That is my opinion. A good game. If you're interested, you can wishlist it. I'll link it in the description if you're watching YouTube.